I want to talk about our Leaf People balms, what they are, and how and why you would use them. So the balms are very special products to me. They contain a very strong amount of plant extracts. Due to the nature of the balm and how it's made, we can get a lot of plant extracts into them, so they're very concentrated. And then our balms also feature a lot of wonderful wild botanicals. So a balm is a waterless product. This is a shea butter-based balm with beeswax, various oils to help nourish the skin, as well as all of the plant extracts. And then we finish them off with a complex blend of essential oils. And you would use these when you want to have a stronger impact on your skin. If you have something going on that a body lotion or a body oil just isn't quite enough. So really dry hands, cracked cuticles, overworked skin, overworked muscles, joints that are a little bit aggravated. These are all reasons that you would use a balm, and there are many others. You would use a balm best on clean skin. You can use them before you expose yourself to something that might make your skin aggravated or overworked. So you could use them before a long day of gardening to help replenish your skin before you go out. And then you can also use it after the activity as well. So you could use it at the end of your gardening day to replenish and restore. And because they are thicker, kind of more mask-like products, I like to use the balm at a time when I can kind of let the area I'm putting it on rest. So if I'm using it on my hands, maybe in the evening after dinner, washing my hands, I might be watching a little TV or something like that, then I can put the balm on and let it soak in. We have another video all about balms and balm applications, so feel free to watch that for other ideas. The balm, when you're resting and it can just slowly soak in over time, is great, or under a pair of light gloves or socks if you're doing it on your feet is also another wonderful idea. Some of our balms, like our rejuvenating balm, can be used on chapped lips and cuticles, various places around the body. Our sports balms are more for tissues under the skin, so you would apply them to overworked muscles or overused joints, but you would not use them on any openings in the skin. You would not apply them to any kind of scratches or little cuts or cracked cuticles or anything like that. They are intended for below the skin, where our rejuvenating balm is intended for the skin itself. We hope you have the opportunity to explore these deeply medicinal products. They are really wonderful.